enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Said by Mahatma Gandhi.
Conserve these resources: soil, water, biodiversity, and forest.
Conservation of natural resources. As the human population is growing continuously, the consumption of natural resources is also increasing. With the increase of industrialization and urbanization of the modern human society, the use of all these resources in in increasing day by day. If these resources are not properly managed and used, there will be a serious scarcity of these resources. So we need to conserve the natural resources. Conservation is the proper management of natural resources to prevent its exploitation, destruction, or degradation.
Why should we conserve natural resources? As we know that nature provides all the basic needs which are necessary to us, but we are over exploiting or overusing these resources. If we go on over exploiting the nature, there will be no more resources available in the future. So there is an urgent need to conserve the nature. Here are some things. To maintain ecological balance for supporting life, to preserve different types of biodiversity, to preserve the nature resources for the present and the future generations.
What is calling for our attention? India as a country is blessed with rich natural resources, but from our research on the usage of natural resources in our country, we found that the resources are depleting every day. For example, forest and arable land is being depleted due to urbanization, overpopulation, and overconsumption. Wildlife resources are being lost due to illegal poaching, hunting, and industrialization. Water resources are being contaminated, are drying up due to industrialization.
Conservation of natural resources in India. The government of India undertaken many measures for the conservation of the resources, regulation and reforms for proper housing and infrastructure development to avoid accumulation problems. Mass media public service messages to educate the people on the importance of conservation of resources. Increase the wildlife and forest reserves in the country. Mass media public service messages to educate the people on the importance of conservation of resources. Schemes to do proper inventory of the resources and monitor changes in the environment. Various projects and schemes that promote conservation of resources.
Soil conservation. Soil conservation is a set of management strategies for prevention of soil being eroded from the earth's surface or becoming chemically altered by overuse. Acidification, stolidization, soil erosion, or other chemical soil contamination to retain the fertility of soil.
Conservation of water. A step of conservation water is the step to secure the future. The most essential among all the natural resources on the earth is water. A drop of water is worth more than a stack of gold for the thirsty man. Water conservation is what that can reduce the scarcity of water. It aims to improve the efficiency of use of water and reduce losses and waste. Tips to save water. Avoid leakage of water from the taps. Turn the taps off when not in use, especially when you brush your teeth or wash clothes. Rainwater harvesting is another method to conserve water. The water supply should be limited in those areas which enjoys the unlimited water supply. Technical methods to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting, historical water bodies, ponds.
Some images of water conservation.
Water being wasted in cities or fields.
Save water, save life is our motive.
Conservation of biodiversity. Biodiversity provides the base for the livelihoods, cultures, and economies of several hundred millions of people, including farmers, fisher folk, forest dwellers, and artisans. It provides a raw material for diverse medicinal and healthcare systems. It It also provides the genetic base for the continuous upgradation of agriculture, fisheries, and for critical discoveries in scientific, industrial, and other sectors. The rapid erosion of biodiversity in the last few decades has impacted on the health of rainwater bodies and people.
Images of biodiversity.
Biodiversity is your life. Protect it.
Animals being killed by people to make leather bags.
Conservation of forest. Keeping in view the importance of forest in our life, the people all over the world have stopped unnecessary deforestation. Our government has also made laws to prevent unnecessary felling of trees. Government has decided to declare certain forests as protected areas. These protected areas are called resources or wildlife sanctuaries. Here no one is allowed to hunt anyone. There are about 150 wildlife sanctuaries in India. People come from all over the world to see these sanctuaries. They consist of some of the most beautiful and rare animals.
Methods of conserving forest. For the conservation of forest, following steps can be taken. First, conservation of forest is a national problem, so it must be taken with a perfect coordination between forest department and other departments. People's participation in the conservation of forest is of vital importance, so we must get them involved in this national task. The cutting of trees in the forest must be stopped at all costs. Afforestation or special programs like One Mahotsav should be launched on Dance Day. Celebrations of all festivals should precede with trees plantation. Cutting of timber and other forest should be restricted. Grassland should be regenerated. Forest Conservation Act of 1980 should be strictly implemented to check deforestation. Several centers of excellence have been set up and awards should be instituted.
Images of forest and its conservation.
Deforestation in Amazon and African rainforest.
By our Indian Constitution, legislation for conservation. Various laws and acts have been passed in Indian Constitution for the protection and conservation of various natural resources. Some of them are Environment Protection Act 1986, Forest Conservation Act of 1980, Chipko Movement of 1988, and many more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Queries?
ठीक है, चलो आपने सिर्फ पढ़ा